if you've got yourself the DJI Mic Mini 2, then you've got to check out these. They're multi-color windscreens. You can see some lovely colors in here, like a autumn kind of orange, a nice pink, a really nice green, and a couple of like variations of lighter whites by the looks of it. Let's have a look, see how it all comes packaged. It's a very lightweight box, as you would imagine, because it's literally just windscreens. But let's get them out. You get paperwork, which is fine, we don't need to look at that. Here's the standard windscreen that you get. So you just pull it off, I think. Yeah, just like that. It always feels a little bit nerve-wracking pulling it off. But that's the color that you get by default. And these are some of the other colors that you get in this combo. So I'll just have to, just be patient with me. I'll just get these colors out. So there's that white and that orange. Here's the pinky one. There we go, that's that. They haven't gone for overly bright colors, I've noticed. They've gone for quite dull colors, but I actually like that because you don't want it to be too bright. Especially because with this system, you can obviously put on different colored fronts. So that just makes it a little bit easier to complement with some of these duller colors here. Oh, this is more of a cream actually. So you've got a standardized kind of blacky grey version that you get in the kit. And then we've got all of these. So we've got a cream, a pink, a green, that orangey kind of autumn color, which is really nice. And then the white as well. So I'll just bring them up a little closer just so you can see what you get here. Really nice colors. Alright, so let's have a look how the green looks on. So it just pushes into place. Looks like it's got a funky haircut. Love that. So that's the green. We'll just get this other one out. And again, it's so simple. Just swap out the system like that, push it back in, and it's connected. And that's kind of what it looks like. Obviously, again, the front plate you can match up to make it work really nicely, but you can see that they're nice colors, really nice colors to choose from. And it just gives you a little bit more freedom when it comes to adding some character to your videos and to the experience of using your mic systems. So there you go. Love that. Don't know which one I like the most. Is it the green? I think I like the green. We didn't even put on the autumn. Let's have a little look at the autumn color. I like this one. Oh yeah, that's cool. Love that one. There you go. So that's what you can expect from those windscreens. Love that. A little bit more character. Just so cool.